Hi viewers and welcome to BDNP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English, the only channel that truly teaches Nigerian Pidgin English by breaking it down. There are 4 different ways to learning language. Some focus on grammar, others speak of phrases here and there, while others dive into slang and idioms. No matter what type of learner you are, BDNP has created these 4 unique books to assist you on your journey of learning Nigerian Pidgin English successfully. Nigerian Pidgin English Simplified Grammar, which comes in 3 different formats: Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. Phrases and expressions to get by Nigerian Pidgin English, which comes in 2 formats. Proverbs and idioms in Nigerian Pidgin English, also published in 2 formats. And slang words and expressions in Nigerian Pidgin English, which has 3 different formats. Why not grab one today in the provided link? For those who learn through listening, our audiobooks are on the way, so stay tuned and keep it locked on BDNP as we continue to break down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.